We'll guide you through how to implement ChatGPT age verification. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log in to your developer account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and select the project where you want to integrate age verification. You'll see a tab labeled APIs or Integrations. Click on it to access the integration settings. Here, you need to locate the age verification option. It's usually under User Settings or Security Settings. You need to enable this feature by toggling the switch. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to configure the age verification process. You have a few options here. You can choose to use third-party verification services, which might require you to sign up or integrate an API key, or you can implement a simple date of birth entry field within your application. If you choose the latter, make sure to set up logic that checks if the entered age meets the minimum requirement, say 13 or 18 years old, depending on your criteria. After configuring, save your changes by clicking the Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings page. It's a good idea to test this feature thoroughly. Go back to your ChatGPT interface and simulate a new user sign-up or entry to see if the age verification prompt appears as expected. If everything is working fine, you're all set. Remember, this step is crucial to comply with regulations and ensure that your platform is safe for all users. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.